Prime Minister Narendra Modi commemorated National Unity Day today, emphasizing the spirit of unity and national integrity at a grand event held near the Statue of Unity in Kevadia, Gujarat. The Prime Minister highlighted that his government was working towards achieving one nation, one poll, which will ensure simultaneous polls for Lok Sabha and state assemblies. Prime Minister underscored his government's commitment to the One Nation, One Election initiative, which aims to synchronize elections for the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. During his speech, the Prime Minister also pushed for a uniform civil code (UCC) in the country. Modi announced that India would celebrate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Patel over the next 2 years, honoring his monumental contributions to national unity. Earlier in the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid homage to Sardar Patel at the Statue of Unity before administering the Unity Oath and attending the Rashtriya Ekta Divas parade. Prime Minister Modi also hit out at urban Naxals and the need to identify and unmask them, asserting that unity is essential in the face of such challenges.
दुनिया के अलग अलग देशों में रिश्तों का संकट है, तब भारत का विश्व बंधु बनकर उभरना सामान्य नहीं है। जब दुनिया में एक देश की दूसरे देश से दूरी बढ़ रही है, तब दुनिया के देश भारत से निकटता बढ़ा रहे हैं। ये सामान्य नहीं है, ये नया इतिहास रचा जा रहा है। आखिर भारत ने ऐसा क्या किया है? साथियों, आज दुनिया देख रही है कि भारत कैसे अपने संकटों का दृढ़ता के साथ समाधान कर रहा है।